Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a very long time. So actually I wanted to wash my brushes since a very long time, but I forgot to wash my brushes during the time that I took a break, and I don't know, somehow I started continuing with my makeup videos, so I just forgot. So it's weekend now, it's actually Thursday. I didn't make any videos because I wasn't feeling well. Since last night my head is bursting with pain. I'm not sure why, but anyways, I just wanted to wash my brushes and show you the process. I don't use any fancy soap or any fancy stuff to wash my brushes. I mostly and every time I use this is a dishwashing liquid. I think you just get it. I'm not sure whether you only get this in UAE or you get it everywhere, but I'm not sure. But I use this dishwashing liquid and I have in the scent lemon. So I use this to wash my brushes. I usually take a bowl and I put water in it and I put the dishwashing liquid and I just heat it for a couple of minutes so that the water is a little bit warm, and then I usually soak it for just a couple of minutes before actually scrubbing off there is a lot of foundation, conceal, everything. There is a lot of build up in the brushes, so I just want to clean them. So now I'm just going to take a bowl. So I have a bowl and I am just going to take I'm just going to eyeball it because honestly I really can't tell you any measurements, and I am just going to fill up with water. Now I'm just going to microwave it for maybe just a minute so it becomes a little bit warm. Now the water is nice and warm. You actually don't want to soak up your brushes for a very long time because it might tend to crack, because these are usually made up of wood. I really don't have any other makeup. I don't have any mat to wash my brushes. I got this small thing from uh, Amazon when it was actually souk here in Middle East. So I just got it for 10 dirhams. I really don't have the Real Technique ones or the Sigma ones because they are a bit pricey, so I still really don't have all these things. So I'm just going to dip my brush in the liquid and start cleaning it. As you can see, it gets so easy I'm not sure you can see, but it gets pretty clean. So now you can obviously enjoy this. I have a lot of brushes. I'm going to wash all my face brushes as well as all my eye brushes because it's been a long time since I haven't washed them. So yes, you can now enjoy it. And please don't mind if I'm keeping my brushes here because honestly I don't have any other space to keep my brushes now, and I still have to wash them with water as well, so please don't mind. which I just washed, and I washed it with clean water, and they were not that dirty. I mean, they were just normal, but I just want to wash them. But these are the ones which I actually use every day, and they are really bad. So I just wanted to wash them. I mean, I just wash once in 1 or 2 months, but I need to wash them because it's been very long since I've washed it. So I wanted to wash that. So now all this process will also be, I mean, it will be fast forward, because obviously otherwise it will be like 1.5 or 2 hours video. So now I actually changed the tripod that I was using, because I mean, that tripod was really giving, I mean, I was using the new tripod, but I wasn't as comfortable in that. I don't really know why, and I seriously don't know where do I keep you. So I think that's really better. So I'm just going to continue the process that I was doing. So enjoy. little bit is left, but mostly I've done like 90% of the brushes. So now I've just kept it to dry down. I mean, it will take like around 1 or 2 days because I don't get direct sunlight, and I don't even want direct sunlight because I mean the heat is so bad. But anyways, I've just kept it on my rack on which I obviously dry my clothes. So these are all my eye brushes, and these are all my face brushes. So I've kept it to dry down now. I mean, today is actually Thursday night, it's almost 9:30, so I mean it will take like around 1 or 2 days because I mean it's very hot and humid here, so it will actually dry down soon. And then when it's done, then I'll actually sit and record new videos, but I wanted to wash them because I mean it's been very long time. I mean, from all these eye brushes, I mostly use just 50 or maybe not even 50, but 40% of the brushes. But I usually wash all the brushes together. I mean, I don't want half of them dirty and half of them clean, so I usually wash all of the brushes together. So these are all the brushes. So anyways, guys, it's actually very, I mean, it's not late, but I mean, my head is kind of paining a lot since last night. I'm really not sure why. And I just changed my clothes because I wanted to take a bath, so I just did that. It's actually not the second day because I was wearing something before. So anyways, now I'm just gonna have my dinner and maybe just to rest for a while or watch something on Netflix. But anyways, I'll see you soon in my next video.